Did you know that nearly 1 in 10 people worldwide are living with some form of kidney damage without realizing it? Your kidneys filter more than 50 gallons of blood every single day, removing toxins and balancing fluids. Yet, many of us only notice their importance when problems begin. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful Ayurvedic remedies for kidney health that have been trusted for centuries. These natural approaches don't just support kidney function, but also help detox the body and restore inner balance. Stay with me until the end, because the last remedy might surprise you with how simple and effective it is. So if you're looking for natural kidney cleanse methods, herbal cures, or Ayurvedic tips for better health, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive into the first remedy. Remedy number 1. Punarnava, or diffusa. Have you ever felt swelling in your feet or puffiness around your eyes without knowing why? This can sometimes be linked to poor kidney function and fluid retention. Here's where Punarnava, a well-known Ayurvedic herb, comes into play. Punarnava works as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps the kidneys flush out excess water and toxins. Studies show it also supports the regeneration of kidney tissues and helps reduce inflammation in the urinary system. Unlike chemical diuretics that may strain the kidneys, Punarnava acts gently, improving efficiency without side effects. In Ayurveda, Punarnava is often used in teas, powders, or capsules for kidney and liver health. Many practitioners recommend it for people with chronic kidney weakness, high uric acid, or frequent urinary infections. The best part? It not only helps cleanse the kidneys, but also improves overall vitality and energy. Have you ever tried Ayurvedic herbs like Punarnava before? Share your experience in the comments below. Remedy number 2. Gokshura, Tribulus terrestris. Before we continue, here's a surprising fact. Kidney stones affect nearly 12% of the global population at some point in life. If you've ever experienced one, you know how painful it can be. That's where Gokshura, another amazing Ayurvedic herb, becomes important. Gokshura has long been used to support urinary tract health and prevent the formation of kidney stones. It works by reducing calcium and oxalate buildup, which are the main causes of stone formation. At the same time, it soothes inflammation in the bladder and kidneys, making urination more comfortable. Ayurvedic practitioners often recommend Gokshura powder mixed with warm water or honey for daily use. Some modern supplements also combine it with other herbs to enhance kidney detox and strengthen urinary health. Research suggests it can even help regulate blood pressure, which is closely tied to kidney function. Imagine preventing painful kidney stones simply by using a safe, natural herb like Gokshura. Wouldn't that make life much easier? Remedy number 3. Triphala 3 Herbal Blend. Now, here's a myth-busting moment. Many people think kidney detox means drinking fancy juices or going on strict diets. In reality, Ayurveda teaches that maintaining digestive health is key to kidney strength. That's where Triphala, a blend of 3 fruits, amla, haritaki, and bibitaki, plays an essential role. Triphala is famous for its gentle cleansing effect on the digestive tract, which indirectly benefits kidney health. When your digestion improves, toxins don't overload the kidneys, making their job easier. It also has strong antioxidant properties, protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress and damage. In Ayurveda, Triphala is often taken at night in warm water or as a supplement. Regular use supports smoother digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and a natural kidney detox effect. It's like giving your kidneys a break by handling waste at the source, your gut. Have you ever tried Triphala for digestion or detox before? Comment below and let us know your results. If you're finding these Ayurvedic remedies for kidney health useful, take a moment to support this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this video with someone who cares about kidney wellness. Your support helps us bring you more valuable health content every week. Remedy number 4. Varuna, Nirvala. Here's something fascinating. Ancient Ayurvedic texts describe Varuna bark as a protector of the urinary system. Modern research now confirms that this herb has real benefits for kidney health. Varuna is particularly effective in preventing urinary tract infections and helping dissolve small kidney or bladder stones. It strengthens the urinary bladder, improves flow, and reduces inflammation in the urinary passages. This makes it especially valuable for people struggling with recurring infections or mild obstruction issues. Ayurvedic practitioners often prepare Varuna decoctions, herbal teas, for patients with urinary discomfort. Its compounds also help balance uric acid levels, which is crucial for people prone to gout or stone formation. In some studies, Varuna has shown promise in reducing symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, which indirectly helps kidney function. Isn't it amazing how a traditional herb mentioned thousands of years ago is still proving beneficial today? Remedy number 5, coriander seeds. Now let's end with a remedy you probably have in your kitchen right now, coriander seeds. While commonly used for cooking, coriander has impressive detoxifying properties that support kidney health. Coriander seeds act as a mild diuretic, helping the body flush out excess water and toxins naturally. They are also rich in antioxidants, which protect kidney cells from free radical damage. In Ayurvedic tradition, coriander seed water is often consumed to cool the body and cleanse the kidneys. To prepare, simply boil a teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds in a cup of water, strain, and drink. Regular use can help reduce bloating, support urine flow, and improve kidney function. Some practitioners even recommend it for lowering cholesterol and supporting overall heart health, both linked to kidney wellness. Who knew that such a simple kitchen spice could serve as a natural kidney cleanser? So, those are the 5 best Ayurvedic remedies for kidney health: Punarnava, Gokshura, Triphala, Varuna, and coriander seeds. Each of these natural remedies not only supports kidney function, but also promotes detox, better digestion, and overall balance. Remember, kidneys are silent workers in your body, filtering toxins every second, so they deserve consistent care. Which of these remedies will you try first? Comment below. Your experience might inspire someone else. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our next video on top foods that cleanse your kidneys naturally. It's packed with practical tips you don't want to miss. Stay healthy, stay natural, and take care of your kidneys every day.